Hi everyone, this is Carol. When we added footage used to express certain emotions or feelings, we tend to focus more on the looks of the characters in the image to express emotion. In addition, we may also need to enhance the emotion by working with the color tone. But today, we're going to show you an equally effective, but yet more quick way to convey the emotion you want to deliver to your audience. And that is to use the sound effects to your video. For example, in this clip, I want to show something here that the man in the image is in a drunken and intoxicated state. So, we can try to give some effects like ringing in the ears, heartbeat sound, or this kind of distant sound effect. Does it make more sense now after we add effect? The same method can be used to create other emotional expressions. Another example is here in this clip. I want to show the tension of the character, so we can add a heartbeat, drum beats, or reverse the drum sounds. Or the sound of the metal instruments. Besides, sound effect can also be used to set a mood. Well, in this clip, I want to show these soldiers heading into the battle. Thus, we can add some powerful drum sounds, like this. In the end, I want to give this clip a little bit a mysterious feel. We could try this kind of sharp sound effect. Or this effect. And if we use a powerful and magnificent sound effect, like this one at the beginning of the trailer, the whole result will be completely different again. This is pretty interesting, right? And here, let me show you how to quickly do it in VideoProc Vlogger. First, we prepare the video footage and the corresponding sound effects. Launch a software. Click here to create a new sequence. Next, import the prepared clips into the software together. The program will automatically sort the files for you. So we drag the video clips to the main track. Place the corresponding sound clips on the audio track. Cut and adjust the length to align them. Let's play it and see the effect. Well, it is pretty nice. Click Export to export the video, and we're done here. Isn't it very easy? Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video about how to do the sound design with VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. Go apply it to your other video projects. Just try for yourself. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. We will see you soon in our next tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!